Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be swapping rooms with my sister for 24 hours. Let's see how this turns out. It is currently 8:24 in the morning, and as you can see, I'm now in my sister's room. I'm gonna be starting this challenge all the way from 8:26 right now to 8:26 on Saturday, so hopefully it's a great challenge. So I am going to be telling you guys some things that I brought from my room that I need. Obviously, you just saw my MacBook. I also brought my AP US history book because I might start studying today or on Saturday, and brought my Bible because, you know, daily Bible habits. My dad is actually picking us up later today to go shopping, so I brought my clothes just because I cannot go in my room at all today whatsoever, so that's why I wanted to bring everything in here now. My book bag. So those are the only things that I brought. Let's go ahead and head to the kitchen and get something to eat. Just got done making breakfast, and today I wanted to cook a omelet, spinach, and then I also have a avocado toast with pepperoni on top and a piece of, I forgot what the sausage is called, but it's sausage. It's 9:17 and I have to go to class in around 3 minutes, so that's what I'm going to do next. I'll catch back with you guys later. Poltergeist is one of the most successful horror films of all time. Since I am done with my presentation and out of class right now, I can show you guys a little tour of my sister's room. Just to show you guys a little tour here, because you guys have seen my room before. This is her door. This is her closet and everything, and then she has her bed right here. She has a stuffed animal. She has pillows. Her bed is actually good. So she has a picture right there when she was little. Blinds. That is her TV with her Roku. Name is at the top of her thing. She has all of these trophies. She used to also be a cheerleader. And then her shoes and stuff is over. That's my clothes basket I have to wash today. This is her dresser, and this is her desk area. As you can see, here is me. So, but I don't have anything else to do. I think I want to set my color palette because I have certain colors I want for my channel, but I haven't officially set it yet. So I need to make a color palette for my channel and my brand, and then I think that's about it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a couple. It's a lot of hours later. It is currently 3:49, and I don't know when the last time I talked to you guys, but right now I am waiting for my dad to pick us up to go to the mall. We're gonna go shopping for clothes and everything. I got most of my stuff yesterday just because I don't really shop. Got some shoes that I'll show you guys in another vlog, but yeah, I've been editing for the rest of the day. I didn't have class at the end of the day because my teacher was out, so that was a free period. Made an 86 on my health quiz. We're doing great things. I might have to do something fun when I come back with her room. Since I'm still in her room, I'm gonna be in here until 8:26 in the morning. Just checking in.
I should probably pull away. That's all I want to say today. Just carry on your sweet way. So carry on your sweet way.
Hey guys, it is currently the next day. Sleep was okay. Could have been better, but you know, I am just gonna talk to you guys really quickly on like when I went and how could have been like a lesson to like, I don't know, I'll just talk to you guys while I'm eating my waffles. So guys, like I said, my sleep was okay. It could have been better. It was like one part of the bed that I could just not sleep on. But I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. The first time I went to go use the restroom and then went right back to sleep because I didn't feel right. I was still sleepy. And then I woke up at 8:11 when my mom woke me up to go do some chores. So that's how it went. Just on a lesson standpoint, I feel like it has taught me to get out of like your room and surroundings you've been through all year, especially all school year. Just being in one place can like make you stressed. I feel like this lesson could teach somebody to like just get out their room. It doesn't have to be a sibling room. It can be going outside for a day. It can be going to your grandmother's house and do work. It's just not really healthy to just sit in one place and for a long time, but I have been doing almost the whole school year. It was just nice to get out, experience a different experience, because I haven't stayed in my sister's room for 24 hours ever. I don't think ever. I think that was the only thing that I actually learned, is just to get out and experience other stuff while doing schoolwork, because it can make a actual better experience. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment video ideas in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my channel while clicking the notification bell so you know when I post another video. And without further ado, I'll see you guys next time.